Hi, you guys. It's Jeffrey from J.R. McKing, and I finally got my yo-yo in the packaging. I've been waiting 12 days for this, and it said 7 to 12, so I started taking off the tape already. So this is going to be an unboxing of the AODA Miracle. And as you can probably see, it's all in Japanese. It came from Hong Kong. So take this thing apart. This packaging is so weird. I don't even know how to open this. That's why we have handy scissors.
Just don't wreck it that bad.
I'm not gonna wreck it. This is the awesomest box I've ever seen.
Oh, yeah.
Literally, these guys can have 12 stars just because of the packaging. And,
We'll just do the unpackaging right now, and then we'll do a little video of you like testing it out and all that
I'll
crap.
test it out.
So let's talk about it while we're packaging it.
This. Hulk smash! Okay. So, this is the little.
Funny.
Okay.
Hallelujah.
I know that Yo Skills has made a video review of this yo-yo, but he never did an unpackaging.
Why is there like a
Big string?
yeah?
Well, if you would have done your homework, Mr. Riley, you would know that it's a transforming yo-yo, and it's super cool.
I know that is a transforming yo-yo. It's like it's a circle. Yeah, I mean yo-yo with a circle ball thing.
It's a ball.
And it comes with a string. Ooh. Wonderful.
Fancy.
Fancy string. Fancy living. Here we go. We should have saw how to open this before we did this video. But it's actually very entertaining.
Entertaining seeing me struggle with this.
The people in the video are probably like, "Oh my gosh, this is boring." The kid can't even open a box. Freaking grab a hammer.
Smash it to pieces. It will cost me a measly $30.
So there's the wrecked packaging. I'm gonna show you some of the packaging while he's trying to get that open.
Oh my god, I got it. Oh my god, I got it.
So here's some
And I got
Chinese.
it.
Oh, you did finally? Okay, I'll show you that box later.
Well, a $30 metal yo-yo.
Is it metal?
Yeah, feel it. It's metal.
Ooh, that's
$30.
nice. That's actually a really nice yo-yo for only $30.
Yeah.
Does this yo-yo have good review?
Well, yeah.
Do people think it's like a good yo-yo, or do they think it's like the crappiest freaking thing in the world?
Some people think it's like
Yeah. So other people have different
views on it.
yeah,
What's it called?
different opinions. Uh-oh, Jeffrey dropped it.
Great, like 3 minutes into the video and I'm dropping stuff.
Okay, where'd it go?
That's good. Okay.
I see it.
Get it, Ron. You got this.
Found the missing part. Ooh.
Dropping it again.
It's a really fail video. Well, we can't redo it, so it's our
Yeah.
first chance of doing it.
Unpackage the bearing. We gonna need that bearing. It's gonna yo-yo.
So he's gonna put it all together. Make sure everybody watches for their homework. There's your homework for the week. Even though it's summer.
This actually has hub stacks, which is really cool.
Ooh.
Ha ha ha.
So we're in 4 minutes of the video now. So I'm so sorry this is why he's getting his butt going. So here's some more Chinese lettering. Maybe.
If you guys in the comments if any of you can speak Japanese or Chinese or whatever that is.
Tell me
Tell
what
us
it
what
says.
what it says.
There's some on that. You can see that. Okay, that's a little bit blurry. There's that. There's that.
Open sesame. So this was pretty cheap for transforming you. I mean,
You might need this.
yeah, I probably will need it too.
It fell out of the box.
Probably need a screwdriver.
Okay, I shall go grab us. I'll go ahead and hold the camera. I'll go ahead and set it up on the tripod.
Okay, I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod. Sorry, guys, this is really bad right now, but look at this beautiful house. Is that watermelon? I'm pretty sure that's watermelon. It's that melon. Just okay. We got this. Okay. So we got our regular stuff. Stoof. Brilliant. Okay. So, pretty sure it's supposed to go like that.
Show them what you're doing.
I'm going to put it together. So it's pretty much this piece on this piece. It's the axle in the middle.
Did you put those circles in these things right here anywhere?
Yeah, those are the, you know.
Yeah.
Hub stacks. I've never put this thing together really, so. Honestly, because I've never.
Those things should have came with directions.
Probably
people.
did.
Chinese people. Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
I'm gonna show them this one. Look at this.
Look at that stuff. Look at that. Look at that stuff.
Look, they actually have the pricing and stuff in Chinese. Pretty cool.
Okay, so we're just going to.
Yeah, so let's watch them now. Put that.
Bearing in there. Sorry, I'm not putting the stacks on right now, but that's least of my problems.
As long as we get this together, because I think we'll have enough time to show them a little bit of it.
Ooh, I might be able
We're
to
at
put on one
like
of them.
7 minutes. Yeah, actually, just don't worry. Do you want to actually put them on?
No.
Yeah, it's going. Yeah,
I'm not.
let's just test it out. Put on the string.
Okay, you can end the video now. So.
Yeah.